Hello, I'm making this demo video for the pending action required here. We are going to pass in the verification of Avaya Cloud Office for Google. And this is the project name. And it's relevant project number and project ID. Okay, and we are going to connect with Google by using this credential. The application ID and its relevant client ID. Since we are a Chrome extension, so the application ID will be the Chrome extension ID. Let's check it. I have just have a Flash installed, and let's see if it is the ID. Okay, we can see the Chrome extension is right the application ID. They are the same. And the client ID should be appear in the screen location of all consent flow. I will approve it. I will approve it. Okay, and next step, let's log into our app. Okay, after logged in and switch to settings page, we can see there's a authorization bar displayed for user here. User can click the authorize button to start the consent flow. Let's try it. Okay, the consent page displayed. We can see there's a window with server location field. This window is opened by Chrome Identify Service. Is not displaying the location field by default. So we have to inspect the window to see its location. Let's try to see it in the console. Okay, I have printed the location. Let's see its client ID. Okay, I have copied the link, and it should include the client ID. Let's find it. Okay, I can see its client ID here. Oh, okay. Let's copy it to text editor. Okay, this is the location, and we can see the client ID here. This is the client ID. Let's copy it and to see if it is the one in cloud platform. Okay, this is the client ID. Let's find it. we can see each rider one in Cloud Console platform. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue the consent flow. Okay, I have selected my Google account. In this screen, we display the Avaya Cloud Office for Google. This is the app name. Let's see if it is the same with the consent screen. Yes, it's right the one. We are verification form, verify form, and there are some permissions requested. There are three sensitive scopes we are request. The first two are the same. The app is using the two scopes to load the user's contacts and corresponding information like phone number, so the user can make a call or text message to the contacts within the app. I will demo the function. And the second one is, and the last one is calendar service. The app using the scopes to insert video meeting link scheduled by the app to the user's calendar event, so the user can have event participants join the meeting. Okay, then let's go back to the app, the consent flow. Before we allow the permissions, I'm going to create a test context. Okay, okay, this is my account, and let's create a test contact. Yeah, test, and today is December 27. So let's create a test user and its phone number, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, anything else will be okay. Let's try to save it. Okay, the test contact is created with its phone number, and directory user is the same. We can create a contact here, but since I don't have the permission to create one, so actually they are the same with personal contacts. So I will leave it. Okay, let's continue with the consent flow by click the allowed button. Okay, now we have connected with the Google service, and we will display the related the email here. And now, since now we have connected with Google account, so by switching to the contacts tab of our app, we can see we have loaded the contacts from Google site. The contacts from Google sites are displayed with a G mark here. Okay, let's try to see the one we just created. Okay, this is the one we have just created, and we display its phone number here. And we can click this button to make the call. Okay, let's end up. And we can click the the text message button to send text to the contact. And for the directory contacts, we can see they are loaded as well. See the first one, Albert 1, Albert 1. Second one, third one, they are all loaded with its corresponding informations. Okay, and then the third permission, calendar service. By switching to schedule meeting tab, we can see there's a schedule meeting function here. User can click the invite with Google Calendar button to schedule a meeting. Okay, let's try it. Okay, the meeting is added and the app will lead the user to the calendar event. Okay, our app is insert the title, the meeting title, the location, and the invitation in description field. Okay, let's save it. Okay, then I think that concludes my demo. Thank you.